What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am going to be doing another wash and go with mousse only. This time I'm using the Aunt Jackie's Frizz Patrol Mousse. You guys know that I use this with the styling gel for a wash and go. Really liked it. I also used it alone for a twist out. That turned out nice, but I have not used this yet for a wash and go on its own. So we're going to see how that works. I just recently did a mousse only wash and go with the Dew Mousse Def, and that turned out really nice. So we're going to see how this compares to it. As far as I can tell, this one does not say that you should use it alone or with a leave-in. It really just doesn't specify. So I'm going to try this alone, because most people say that you should use mousse alone. I'm looking around for my water bottle. Most people say you should use mousse alone, so I think I'm going to try it alone and see how the moisture is. So I wonder if I should use it with a leave-in. I'm going to try it with just water and see how that works. There's nothing on my hair right now, no leave-in or anything. I'm just saturating my hair with the water, and then we're going to apply the mousse. Ooh, this water is not warm water either. It's cool water, which probably is not the best. Okay, so I think I'm going to take 2 pumps. I'm going to take 3. All right, so 3 pumps feels better to me than 2. So I'm gonna put 1 more pump under here. We're gonna see. This does feel like a lighter hold than the Mousse Def. I can say that for sure. Feels like a lighter hold. But we won't know till the end, so let's just see. Okay guys, so you see what I'm doing. I'm just going to go ahead and do this all around my head, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I got it all applied. So I am going to sit under the dryer, and I will come back and we'll talk about the Frizz Patrol for wash and go, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so I am back straight from under the dryer. Have not stretched my hair or anything, and it's pretty fluffy and pretty soft. So I'm debating if I want to stretch it or not, but I will decide after I've gotten dressed and got myself together to talk about the Frizz Patrol, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so I am back, and this is my hair. So I did not stretch it like I normally do. I just I didn't do anything really. I just kind of you know, pulled at it to kind of get it even on the sides, but it's a very soft hold. So that's why I didn't want to stretch it, because it's already pretty fluffy. And it'll probably get bigger as the days go on. So I definitely didn't want to stretch it and ruin any definition that I have. So my hair does have some definition, but it's also mixed with a little bit of frizz, which is fine for me. My hair is very soft, no crunch whatsoever. No crunch whatsoever. So we're gonna see how long this lasts. Right now my hair looks healthy. It's not overly shiny. So if I was to compare this Frizz with, this Frizz Patrol with the Mousse Def, I would say that I think the Mousse Def gives just a tad bit more shine. It definitely gives a little bit more hold, where you can, it's not crunchy either, but you can definitely feel the hold on the ends. This one, I can't feel the hold as much. It's very soft, but it's not bad. You know, again, both of them dried within 30 minutes, so that's great. And this one, to me, when I was applying it, I could tell that it was a lighter hold. The Mousse Def definitely feels a little bit more heavy and a little bit weighty, where you feel like it's going to weigh your curls a little bit more. But they both, you know, they both apply to the hair well, and things like that. This one feels, like I said, it feels really moisturized right now. I don't have a leave-in on under it, so we're going to see how the moisture lasts. And I will come back to show you what my hair looks like, or I'll leave a blurb here to let you know how long the moisture lasts. So we're just going to wait and see about this. But for me, I still like the Frizz Patrol. I definitely like it paired with the gel for wash and go. So for no other reason but that, I would still pick this up again. And I also liked it for a twist out, so I definitely would use it for a twist out too. So I'll let you know if I would use it over the Mousse Def or another mousse for wash and go after I've worn this for a few days. So stay tuned for day 3, and we'll go from there. Okay guys, popping in to show you 3rd day hair. It is morning. Took my bonnet off, and this is what my hair is looking like. So as you can see, it is kind of sticking up more. I kind of have to work at getting it to go down. Still has a lot of definition on the ends. That hasn't changed much, but it has definitely gotten fluffier in the roots and a little bit frizzier on top. So for me, I am going to wash it today. And if I didn't need to have my hair looking a certain way tomorrow, I would, you know, put it off. But I just don't, I think it's going to look a lot worse for tomorrow. So I'm going to go ahead and wash it today on day 3 and restyle it. So what I will say is that I do think that the Mousse Def held up a little bit better because it has a little bit more hold. But I also think that this is not bad, considering, you know, the climate, and considering there's no leave-in to help it out or anything. It's just all mousse. So with that being said, you know, if you just need, like I said, a quick wash and go, that you need to dry quickly, you need to get out the door, you like a little bit of volume with your wash and go, I think that the Frizz Patrol is good. I also think the Mousse Def is good. If you want a little bit more hold, I'd go with the Mousse Def over the Frizz Whiz, but they're very similar as far as look, as far as, you know, the fluffiness you get, and as far as shine and things like that. I don't think one was like heads and shoulders over the other one. I do think that the Mousse Def initially straight from under the dryer gave me a little bit more shine, but once I stretched it, it wasn't as shiny. It was pretty much hair just like this. So I don't think you could go wrong with either one. I think it depends on which one you find and what your budget is. Yeah, I still like both of them. I think if I wanted a wash and go, mousse only wash and go, I would go with the Mousse Def over the Frizz Whiz, but I definitely will keep this because I like how this works with its gel. I love that wash and go. It gave me longevity, it gave me lasting shine. Oh, so this is day 3. My hair is totally moisturized. I don't feel like I have to add anything. I think with a Mousse Def, I believe that I said my hair was feeling a little bit, did I say my hair was feeling a little bit dry with the Mousse Def, or was that with the gel? Oh shoot, I can't remember now. But I want to think this has a little bit, this has more, I mean, my hair feels really moisturized with this, and I remember saying that before, even with the gel and with the twist out. So I think this has a little bit moisture for me than the Mousse Def does. So I will say that, and I'm gonna leave it at that. I don't remember, I've used these things so many times that I'm starting to get them mixed up, but I don't think that the Mousse Def was bad. I think I got moisture with that as well. But I think this is a little bit better. So yeah, that's it. Just wanted to come on and show you 3rd day hair. So now back to the video. So yeah, guys, that's it. Let me know if you like this wash and go. Let me know if you've used the Frizz Patrol or mousse only wash and go. Leave all that in the comment section below. And if you like this type of content, make sure that you give my video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.